So, on a bit earlier today, 1:20. But I checked and there's no news at 1:30, so I'm gonna go for it. Okay, still in this weekly Fair Value Gap. It's a tough one. We don't really know where we're going. Obviously, we've still got this high. But at the moment, we're kind of filling in this gap. So, it's quite a tough one actually. I don't really know what to do with these gaps, what they mean and that. I mean, the way I see it is kind of like a bigger version of a Fair Value Gap, like a more powerful version. Because literally nobody got in on them prices. So maybe the market has to come back and balance it. We could also come to this low here on the daily. There are two options really. So tough one, man. Nothing really on the 4 hour. Well, now we've tapped in and closed. Sorry, we tapped into this order block. So realistically, that should be selling, but we've also respected that, and now we're making a push. We're also respecting a 1 hour Fair Value Gap right now. So that's giving us a bit of a push. So that means if that holds, that could be the next target. It's also a 30-minute gap and a 15-minute gap. So it's quite a bit of power coming out of here. So I'm going to mark that up. Okay, so here there's no real reason for us to sell. We haven't really broken structure with this order block. So we're kind of waiting to see what happens next. Bit of accumulation here. We're manipulating down. Let's see where we go next. On markup. Sorry, we don't have a 15-minute one, do we? Not sure about this. I feel like we might just be stalling a bit in order to make a 15-minute Fair Value Gap. It's an interesting setup. It's a very interesting setup. We've closed past that now, so realistically we wouldn't want to get in until that was respected. We shouldn't have closed that. So that's going to stop me from getting in this if that inverses. But I don't think this is a true accumulation. So we're staying out of this for now. I feel like we're trying to build up. Yeah, we're about to make a 15-minute fair value gap in it. We only got 3-ish minutes to wait until it creates as well. And then taking a trade into this gap when it gets made will make more sense, I guess. But at the same time, I'm not seeing any AMD setups right now. Right, anyway. It's interesting actually. Yeah, I see one here, look. 5-minute fair value gap. Range here, inversed it. Slap below there, target that high. And the same thing, you use that fair value gap there to get in. Horrible price actually. Truly horrible. Alright, 1 minute away from making a 15-minute. If we don't break this high and don't break this low for a bit, this is kind of a mini accumulation. Just want it to lurk around a little bit for a little bit longer though. Like that. Just indecision. That's what I want to see. Alright, so 15-minute gap created. Looking like we're gonna probably go and fill that. I would like to see us accumulate a little bit longer. I'm gonna get rid of that for now. Alright, here we go. 15-minute FVG. So we're now pushing into that. Pardon me. See if we make a little IFVG here. I think the sickest thing about the IFVG entries is like it kind of proves that this sell was a manipulation, because if you sell that heavy and then come straight back up and swap the momentum, it kind of proves it. Alright, better get on it. I don't feel ready for this trade yet for some reason. Oh, hang on, that was also 130 opening. So let us see. We're not really making a big fair value gap. That's quite annoying. Oh, that is really annoying. It's not really obvious, but it is a little bit. Okay, right, do I want this? Bias wise, I think so. I'd also like to get in before we take this high, if I can. So let's get ready for this position. Looking like it's going to be a 3 pips again. Oh, we ain't closing either. So 3 pips is 8 lots again. We did close. Okay, so I need 20 for the entry. Oh, fuck's sake. Don't take the highs, please. Not yet. Fuck's sake. Yeah, we took them. Great. Fucking hell. Just because of how laggy this is, I can't get in on that kind of stuff. That kind of stuff. Really frustrating, that is. Look at that, hit 1 minute. To be honest though, I feel like still kind of wouldn't be nothing wrong with getting in here, like seeing it, like still. What is this? 5 pip stop, so it'd be a 5 lot move. Depends if we're gonna take that high though, really. We should do. I think I just want a bit of a tighter situation. I feel like I could get with that. The reason I don't want it is because we've hit this high already. Alright, how about this? We see how we react to this fair value gap. If we react good, then I might get in. I do think this should have legs, you know. I actually do. Just not super confident in it. Oh yeah, let me wait. Let me just wait. I don't need to force it. It's a nice setup, but I just don't need to force it. Still don't want to see it close past this. Don't want to see it invert that. Even though we got more than one fair value gap. Okay, we did invert it. It's definitely the kind of rejection you want to see. Yeah, it's a nice rejection of the 15 and of the invert. I do want to. Of course, I want to get in on this, but it's not as safe as it could be because we've already took them highs. Oh look, look. We've got another IFVG right here, baby. So, as long as we don't close past this one, when we invert that one, I might get in. We just need to not close this one, which looks like it might happen. I'm defo not getting in if this gets invited, because it shouldn't. I think I've saved myself here. Patience, man. Patience. Don't take the subpar setups. My stop would have been like 94, so we would have been almost out right now. Yeah, it would be out. Fuck. Patience for you. I was upset because I missed that, and I almost lost money because of it. Alright, looks like we might accumulate then if we don't take this low. And let's say we don't take this high, then I'll be in again. Well, gets intense, man. But I always stick to my AMD, and that's why I know what hits. You know, we weren't sure about which row was going after that, but still be in this trade. I wouldn't be out. I wouldn't have been out yet. But honestly, even if this inverts now, it's not for me. It's too dangerous. It's too dangerous. Okay, now look at how equal them lows are. Hopefully we can not break this high now and then come and take these lows, and then that is going to be an absolute beauty of a move. But we might not do that. We might just come and take the high. We have inverted that, and we, even though these are relatively equal lows, we did respect this low. Like, we didn't that kind of gives this some strength. We're gonna take that high. Hope we don't. Isn't it mad how if I was in this trade, I'd be wishing for a lot different outcome. I'd be like, please take the high, please take the high. No, because I'm not in the trade, I'm like, yeah, please don't take the high yet. Because I want to get in when we take the high. I want to be in that move, baby. Okay, yeah, we're still pushing. So this should definitely be the next draw then. No, at this point. We got nothing stopping it as well. No gaps, no order blocks, just a straight clean run. Man, if we didn't invert this, I would have been in here. So annoying. Stay impatient. It's going to instantly close this gap. Or is it not? Honestly, this could still be a small accumulation if we don't take the higher. If we come and take this low, respect this, and go higher, then still happy for it. want to... Hoping this is an accumulation. Pardon me. Alright, so this is coming back to close some gaps. Close the 3 and the 5. Yeah, this is accumulating. Alright. Let's see what is going on here. Looks like we came down really heavily rejected that order block, right? That fair value got right there, which is nice. Don't know, man. honestly love to. I'd love to see us come down and take this low. I am not gonna lie. That is what I would like to see. How are we looking on the 1 hour? We are still pushing up, which is good. 30-minute, we've got a opposing fair value gap right there, which seems like it could get closed. Oh, still got another hour to go here. This is the importance of jumping time frames though, like seeing what other things might be the reason that things are happening. You know, if you stick on one time frame for too long, the vision gets a bit one-sided, I guess. We might still come and just smash this higher. Everything kind of is lined up to say that we're going to do that, to be honest. That we're inviting, we're respecting. Also, you could see this as a small little accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Not really, but it is a little bit. When you see these equal lows and equal highs, it kind of says that. So seeing that respect and then go higher is what you'd expect to see as well. And then we took that range, which is nice. Question is, are we going to pass this high? Alright, I don't think this is an accumulation. I mean, unless we sell heavy now, then it is, but... Man, imagine your TP is just above there and you're just pissing around. Mate, I want to collect all this money that's sitting here. Big accumulation right at this high. Selling, but it doesn't wanna. Still respecting this. It's not really a fair value gap, is it? Tiny. This only just adds more to this strength if we come below this. There's going to be so much liquidity resting there. Okay, we're going all the way. Mate, if I was in this trade waiting for that high to smash, I'd be so pissed. I think it will though at this point. Like, it looks like it will. If this candle closes heavy, closes strong, so it will. Okay, it has took the high. Yeah, okay, we're blasting through that now. Alright, fair. Didn't accumulate there, which is fine. That'd have been a roller coaster of a trade though, I can't lie. Mate, it always fucking hits when you take out an acute, like a high that's equal highs, or it's been resting there for a little while. It absolutely blasts through, man. Every time I see it, and it's like part of me keeps going. When I'm in these trades, I'm like, fucking wish I didn't have a stop loss set right there. I guess next, like in the next few trades, maybe I'll just like, I won't have a set stop loss, especially if it's a higher time frame accumulation type of deal. But yeah. Alright. Alright. Looks like we heavily closed past that 30-minute as well. So just waiting, I guess now. No reason to come back here. Should be smooth sailing to that high really. But we've got an hour to get in on it. If we get a nice little indecision candle there, say if we accumulate for another 5 minutes, that could be cool. But I don't think we probably will. I probably think we won't. Might not get a trade today. Oh man, I don't think we're gonna get anything today, peeps. A big old lot of buying has been taking place. I'm sorry, I'm about to hit that high as well. Smash. Alright, cool. So we've got to get a new target now. Oh, great. I don't know the next target. I feel like I might call this a day, you know, because right now I don't know where the next target is going to be. I'm calling it a day. Short one today. Nice one.